Hey guys, welcome to your weekend edition Love and General reading. This is for the element of Earth. So if you're Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, Sun, Moon, or Rising, these messages are for you for the weekend of November 15th through the 17th, 2024. So I want to thank you guys for your love and support. Please keep in mind these are general, so they may or may not resonate. Thank you for your continued prayers. My mom is still in the hospital, so thank you for all your prayers and warm energy that you've been sending towards her. All right, so we have the overall energy as the Nine of Cups. We've got the Four of Pentacles. We have the Queen of Cups. We have the Two of Cups, High Priestess, Five of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Hermit. Okay, so I feel like you guys have been feeling pretty happy, pretty peaceful, just keeping to yourself, and there could be something going on where if you're single, you go from being single to connecting to someone or to a relationship. It does seem that there's a hidden attraction between two people. There's definitely some sort of chemistry or unspoken language. So I feel like you're connecting with someone. Now, it does look like initially you guys are trying to fight against what you're feeling, or you're being very resistant towards that feeling, but at the same time I'm seeing like a little playful banter between the two of you. It could be that one of you keeps trying to get the other person's attention, but it's like in a cute or playful way. Kind of feels like there's also competitive energies in a love situation. Maybe there's another person that is interested in the same person as you. Or it could be two people competing for your attention. Oh, give me one moment. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so I was saying that it could be like two people competing for your attention. Now, I also feel that maybe someone is trying to find out information about you, especially more so like through tarot, or getting some sort of reading on you. But I feel like the information is being blocked, or they can't find something out. It's just basically some sort of restriction in regards to information that they're trying to find out about. It also could be that you're the one that is being restricted from reading or pulling cards on somebody. Yeah, so if you recently met somebody, I kind of feel like you're going to be like in the dark about it. Like you're going to have to wait and see how things play out. Something may or may not develop long term. It could just be a fleeting connection, attraction, and then that's it. Or maybe it will lead to something else. Now, even in regards to perfect matches, maybe there is something going on where, you found your ideal job or your ideal home. Either way, it could be something that is coming off as competitive, like you know, competitive energies at work or in regards to something that you're trying to purchase. I feel like, you know, in the long run, like, I don't know, you're going to really have to fight for something if you want it. Or you're having to stand your ground. Maybe you're trying to find out if you're going to get the job or not. I feel like you're going to be okay because you seem to be happy in general about the outcome of your situations. You also might need to do some sort of studying or researching in regards to a company, or if you're starting a new job, like even though you really connect at the company that you work for or the position that you're in, it's still a lot of studying. Like maybe something is a little new to you. Going back to a love situation, something feels like historical unless you're doing some sort of research on a relationship. Maybe something is historical. Maybe you're trying to find out what the connection is. You're like, you know, where did these two people, you know, what attracted these two people together? Especially if there is something in regards to an odd couple or an odd pairing. I feel that you want to know why, or, you know, what is this attraction? Or maybe people are trying to find that out in regards to a relationship that you're in. Like people don't quite understand why you're with that person. Now, somebody might be trying to find out some sort of dirt on somebody as well. Even in regards to the things that are happening in the world or politically, I kind of feel like people are trying to find out like information about a relationship or where it stems from. I feel that two people are also trying to talk in secret. Two people are having a hard time trying to communicate in secret. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a matter of people being around when they're on a phone together. Maybe they're trying to have a conversation in a room together, but there's like disruptions. So I don't know. I kind of feel like if you're trying to have like a private conversation with somebody, it's hard because you keep getting interrupted. There may be something in regards to a fire sign, like maybe a fire sign is trying to find out information on you, or vice versa. Yeah. If you study astrology, it seems like you're trying to find out some information. Maybe you're looking at some sort of transits. If it's in regards to love, you might be trying to figure out if you and this person have compatible synastry. Something might push you to start doing some sort of research. I feel like you're also being enlightened in regards to something that you're looking into. I kind of feel like your knowledge is expanding, and as your knowledge expands, you might also attract other people. It could also be that someone is attracted to you because of your knowledge or because of the information that you can provide. So maybe someone is also being mentally stimulated. I feel like you're also keeping something secret in regards to a water sign. Maybe you're hiding your feelings from this person. You could also be dealing with a Virgo. Okay, so someone is trying to conceal their emotions or their feelings towards you or vice versa. Maybe you don't want someone to know that you care about them, or that you're still holding on to them. There seems to be some anxiety in regards to a connection that you're having with someone. It's kind of like you can't stop thinking of this person. I feel like you just want these thoughts to go away, but they keep intruding your space, your mind. It seems like you're keeping something to yourself. It's possible that you are in love with someone or just like super attracted to somebody. I feel like you're trying to play it cool. This person may not know it. Now, one reason that somebody is staying away, like maybe you're keeping your distance because you know someone is in a relationship. So you're trying to shut off those feelings, or maybe you're in a relationship and you're not supposed to be having these desires for somebody else, and you're just like trying to turn it off. Now, aside from a love situation, I feel like somebody is trying to keep something a secret from their family. It could be a secret relationship, or it could just be, some sort of secret. A pregnancy. Yeah. Kind of feels like you've been dreaming about a water sign. Somebody might visit you in a dream and tell you a secret. I'm seeing that you're also connected to somebody that you haven't heard from or haven't been talking to. But there's like this connection between the two of you. Especially if they're a water sign. I feel like somebody is a soulmate. Metaphysically, somebody might be remote viewing you, trying to find out information about you, trying to find out your secrets. You also might have some sort of a secret gift or talent that you haven't shared with people, especially if it is some sort of psychic ability. Um, okay, so I'm getting the energy of someone who is being mean because they're hurt. So it's a situation where someone is acting opposite of what they feel, or it's just like a defense mechanism. Somebody could be pushing you away because they're hurting. It seems like if you are fighting against something that feels right, that you're needing to just like relax and let your guards down and see where a connection goes. I know you guys don't like it, but for some of you, this does have to do with an ex. I'm also seeing some sort of something being birthed out of a conflict. Like I feel like this conflict needs to happen. It's like a powder keg for something. Something is going to come out of this that needs to happen. It's creating like this other energy. It's almost like if two people were to have an argument and like certain things are said or revealed during that argument, it's like it needed to happen. It's like something was boiling and the top blew off, and it's like, okay, now that this is out in the open, we can move forward, or, this can happen now. Okay, so this fire sign, I feel like this fire sign is in a relationship, but they're keeping tabs on you. They're trying to find out your relationship status. It also seems like just because you were nice to someone, somebody is taking it as, oh, they like me. This person is trying to get back with me. They're trying to get together with me. Someone could misinterpret your kindness. And I do feel like there's going to be confirmation of this message. It should be confirmed that somebody's been keeping tabs in this whoever it is. I feel like they're in a relationship. This is another reason why somebody was fighting against the feelings and the thoughts that they were having. In a job or career situation, I do feel like maybe somebody is trying to get a higher position by some, sexual exchange, sexual favors. Especially if somebody's trying to figure out, like, how did this happen, or how did they get that position? I feel like there is something sexual going on. Something might send you to do some sort of research in regards to laws. Maybe you're trying to find out if something is legal, if something is permissible. I feel like you're having to study something on your own. You also might be looking for a lawyer, especially if you have some sort of potential lawsuit or case. In regards to political matters, it feels like you're trying to find out something about, who's in charge or who's running things, or like it's something that you're trying to find out in regards to politics. Maybe you're looking into the justice system. In a relationship, I feel like somebody's trying to find out if somebody's been cheating or if someone's been in contact with their ex. Somebody might be trying to find out if there's been a divorce. I just feel like someone is like, I think they're divorced, and they're just trying to find out if it's true. It does seem like maybe someone is separating, or there is something legal going on in regards to names, or something is being like split. You also might be breaking tradition or trying to do something your way or doing something outside the box. Feels like you're trying to do something in an unconventional way. I don't know if someone broke the law for sure, but it seems like someone's trying to find out if they did. One other scenario I'm getting about a relationship is some sort of conflict, maybe because of the family, like the family doesn't approve. Maybe something's going on where two people from different statuses or classes it's not a good fit. Maybe someone is breaking off an engagement or breaking off a commitment because of these things, because something isn't in alignment with tradition. All right, so let's see additional messages for earth signs. All right. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, or Rising for this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, you have door to value. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Rest and rejuvenation. Overall energy and decision. All right, so you are going to have to use your intuition for something to make a decision. I feel like maybe you've been trying to do something, make a decision based off of logic, and now it's like, okay, what does my gut say? What does my heart say? So I kind of feel like you're having to follow intuition in regards to something that you're torn about. I do feel that there's an opportunity opening up to you. It could be a financial opportunity or just anything that you greatly value. Even though there's an opportunity in front of you, it seems like you're not jumping on it. It's like you're having to go within. You might like start meditating. That also could be why somebody is looking into astrology, trying to find out, you know, is this something that's for you, or what triggered this transit for this opportunity to come? Like, I feel like you're really trying to figure something out. And you might just kind of like need to quiet the noise around you and channel the messages that you're getting yourself. Yeah, even if you've been going to advisors or readers or asking, friends and family for advice, it's like ultimately you feel like you need to figure out what's best for you. And I do feel that you're going to get clarity. I do feel like the answers are going to come to you in regards to what you need to do. You might be trying to manifest peace as well. And I do feel that peace will be restored in your life if there's been some sort of drama or chaos. In regards to a love situation, I feel like somebody is showing you that the door is open and that their heart is ready to receive. Or maybe this is the message that you are trying to put out there to someone, that your heart is ready. You might be feeling like a lot of activity in the heart chakra area. Health-wise, definitely go get checked out. If you feel like you're having like irregular heartbeats. I feel like just trust that you're going to make the right decision, because there's something that you're torn about. And I feel like you just want peace. You don't want a situation that's going to be disturbing or chaotic. You just want peace. So again, that goes back to doing what's best for you, or making a decision that's best for you. All right, so I hope this helps. Feel free to leave your feedback. Thank you guys for watching. Sending you love and grace.